Most travelers head straight to the famous beaches of Malaysia's east coast, completely bypassing the heartbeat of Pahang. But today, we're looking at it differently. In fact, you are in control of the camera. This video is recorded in full 360-degree view. If you're watching on your phone, go ahead and tilt or drag your screen to look around. For the absolute best experience, snap your phone into a VR headset right now and step directly into the sky with me. Right in front of us, rising like a silver spear from the banks of the Kuantan River, is Menara Kuantan 188. Formerly known as the Teruntum Tower, this 188-meter architectural marvel is our anchor today. We are setting a hard boundary, a strict 2-kilometer radius from this very needle. Within this tiny circle lies a world of hidden history, vibrant alleyways, and ancient nature. Look down, look behind you, and let's dive in. As we clear the rooftops, a massive silhouette dominates the skyline just 400 meters from the tower dot. This is the Sultan Ahmad Shah State Mosque. Its space-age turquoise and gold domes and towering minarets are a masterclass in Islamic architecture. In the late afternoon, the sunlight catches the stained glass, casting an ethereal glow over the Padang, the central field where locals gather to play football, fly kites, and watch the day wind down. From our aerial vantage point, you can truly appreciate the symmetry of this holy sanctuary. Menara Kuantan 188 is the second tallest tower in Malaysia. But its design isn't just modern aesthetics, it's deeply symbolic. Look at the silhouette. The sharp, tapered profile is inspired by the lembing Pahang, the traditional Malay spear found on the state's royal coat of arms. And the viewing deck itself. It mimics the delicate petals and leaves of the Teruntum tree, a coastal shrub that once blanketed these riverbanks. From up here, you get a 360-degree layout of the city. To the east, the South China Sea. To the west, the winding Kuantan River. But we aren't staying up in the clouds. Let's drop down to the canopy. Now, let's cross back over the esplanade and dive into the back streets of Kuantan's old town. Tucked away just behind the main road of Jalan Besar is the Kuantan Art Street. This isn't just random graffiti, it's a living gallery celebrating Pahang's heritage. The walls are painted with whimsical, 3-dimensional murals, from local folklore to retro childhood games. Pushing the drone through these narrow corridors reveals the beautiful juxtaposition of 1940s pre-war shophouses splashed with modern, youthful energy. It's the perfect place to get lost on foot, or, in our case, on 3-inch propellers. Just a stone's throw from the river, and sitting comfortably within our 2-kilometer circle is the medical lifeline of Pahang, Hospital Tengku Ampuan Afzan, or simply HTAA. Originating all the way back in 1904 as a modest district clinic, this massive 851-bed facility is now the largest public hospital in the state. Named in honor of the late beloved Queen of Malaysia and consort to the Sultan of Pahang, it serves not only as a crucial healthcare shield for the community, but also as a premier teaching hospital training the next generation of medical specialists. It's a quiet reminder of the infrastructure keeping this vibrant city thriving day and night. Kuantan, the vibrant capital of Pahang. But who keeps this thriving coastal city running so smoothly? Meet MBK, or Majlis Bandaraya Kuantan. Officially upgraded to a city council in 2021, MBK is the driving force behind the city's rapid transformation. From maintaining pristine beaches and lush green parks to steering Kuantan into a tech-driven smart city, they balance cutting-edge modernization with the preservation of our rich cultural heritage. Behind every clean street, bustling local market, and beautifully lit skyline, MBK is hard at work, building a sustainable, world-class city for everyone. Majlis Bandaraya Kuantan, the heartbeat of Pahang's capital. Just a few hundred meters across the river from this ultra-modern tower lies Kuantan's greatest natural secret. Peer into this dense green wall. This is a 500-year-old mangrove forest thriving right in the middle of the city. It's a literal time capsule. If you fly quietly beneath the canopy, you're sharing space with mudskippers, otters, and occasionally, local estuarine crocodiles basking on the mudbanks. Above us, look out for the white-bellied sea eagles. This river ecosystem is home to 7 different species of eagles. It's a stunning contrast. Cutting-edge human engineering on one side of the river and prehistoric jungle on the other. As the sun dips below the horizon, Kuantan undergoes a complete transformation. The quiet coastal town wakes up under a canopy of neon dot Menara Kuantan. 188 begins to glow like a lightsaber against the night sky, reflecting off the dark waters of the river. You don't need to travel far to find magic. Sometimes, all it takes is a 2-kilometer circle, a fresh perspective, and the courage to look at the familiar in a brand new way dot. If you enjoyed this flight, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment on where we should fly next, and I'll see you in the sky. Peace.